কনসেপ্ট লাৰ্ণিংলৈ সকলোকে স্বাগতম জনাই আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ ডিষ্টেন্স এডুকেশ্যনৰ অন্তৰ্গত অধ্যায় কাৰিকুলাম ডেভেলপমেণ্ট ইন ডিষ্টেন্স এডুকেশ্যন। পাঠটো সম্পূৰ্ণকৈ পঢ়ি ল'ব আৰু তাৰে মূল কথাখিনি সংক্ষিপ্ত ৰূপত এইদৰে লিখি ল'ব পাৰে। হোৱাট ইজ কাৰিকুলাম অৰ হোৱাট ডু ইউ মিন বাই কাৰিকুলাম? ইয়াৰ উত্তৰত লিখিব কাৰিকুলাম হেজ বিন ডিৰাইভড ফ্ৰম দ্য লেটিন ভাৰ্ব কাৰেৰি meaning to run or to proceed. It refers to a race or the course of a race which is to run for reaching a certain destination. Curriculum is a contract between society, the state and educational professionals about the educational experience that the learner should undergo during the course of their schooling. According to Cecilia Braslavsky, curriculum defines why, what, when, where, how, and with whom to learn. Curriculum is a political as well as technical or professional dimension. Curriculum is a course of studies followed by the students in a school. According to Peter F. Oliver, curriculum is that which is taught in school, a set of subject, content, a program of studies, a set of materials, a set of performance objectives, a sequence of course, a course of study. Problems of distance mode of learning. ইয়াতে উল্লেখ কৰিব lack of interaction, poor student mentorship, lack of activation, inability to promote motor skill development, insufficient in promotion good attitudes, absent student-teacher bonding, failure in developing oral skills, insufficient feedback system. These are the problems of distance mode of learning. Strategies for curriculum development. ইয়াতে উল্লেখ কৰিব identify of the target group, identify of the needs, build a curriculum development team, identify the learning outcomes of the course, list the intended objectives, identify the teaching tools, identify the teaching methods, develop the instructional materials, develop a proper mechanisms. কাৰিকুলাম ডেভেলপ কৰিবলৈ যাওঁতে এইকেইটা ষ্ট্ৰেটেজি হাতত ল'ব লাগিব। Stages of curriculum development process. ইয়াতে উল্লেখ কৰিব প্ৰি প্লেনিং, প্লেনিং ষ্টেজ, অথৰিং ষ্টেজ, প্ৰডাকশ্যন ষ্টেজ। এ প্ৰচেছ অফ কাৰিকুলাম ডেভেলপমেণ্টত উল্লেখ কৰিব লাৰ্ণাৰ চেণ্ট্ৰিড এপ্ৰ'চ, ছাবজেক্ট চেণ্টাৰ্ড এপ্ৰ'চ, প্ৰব্লেম চেণ্ট্ৰিড এপ্ৰ'চ, হিউমেন ৰিলেশ্যনছ চেণ্ট্ৰিড এপ্ৰ'চ। ডিফাৰেন্স বিটুইন কাৰিকুলাম এণ্ড চিলেবাছত উল্লেখ কৰিব হোৱাট আৰ দ্য ডিফাৰেন্স বিটুইন কাৰিকুলাম এণ্ড চিলেবাছ। আপোনালোকে এনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰে কাৰিকুলাম আৰু চিলেবাছ এনেকৈ দুই ছাইডত উল্লেখ কৰি কাৰিকুলামত 1 নম্বৰত উল্লেখ কৰিব কাৰিকুলাম ইজ দ্য অভাৰঅল কণ্টেণ্ট টট ইন এন এডুকেশ্যনেল ছিষ্টেম অৰ এ কোৰ্ছ। চিলেবাছত 1 নম্বৰত উল্লেখ কৰিব syllabus is the document that contains all the portion of comments covered in a subject. Curriculum is a Latin term, syllabus is a Greek term. Curriculum is a course, syllabus is a subject. Curriculum is wide, syllabus is narrow. Curriculum is perspective, syllabus is descriptive. Curriculum is same for all teachers. Syllabus is varies for teacher to teacher. Curriculum is till the course lasts. Syllabus is for a fixed term, normally a year. Curriculum is set out by government or the administration of school, college or institution. Syllabus is set out by exam board. এই কথাখিনি কাৰিকুলাম আৰু সিলেবাসৰ পাৰ্থক্য উল্লেখ কৰিব। What is curriculum evaluation? ইয়াতে উল্লেখ কৰিব the verb evaluate means to judge or to assess the value of something. Thus the evaluation means the act of evaluating something. Evaluation is an activity which consists of data collection, analysis, interpretation and reporting. Curriculum evaluation is a process that tries to measure the relevance, performance and success of any curriculum systematically and objectively with a stipulated period. Narrow meaning of curriculum: it means the score or grades of the individual student on his or her whole performance. And broad meaning: it is something more than a student's individual performance. According to Staffley Bean, evaluation as a process of delineating, obtaining and providing useful information for judging decisions alternatives. Difference between narrow and broad meaning of curriculum evaluation. Narrow meaning ot উল্লেখ কৰিব curriculum evaluation is the score or grades of individual students on his or her whole performance. Broad meaning ot উল্লেখ কৰিব curriculum evaluation is the something more than a student's individual performance. Curriculum evaluation put emphasis on absolute standards. Broad meaning ot উল্লেখ কৰিব curriculum evaluation does not put emphasis on absolute standards. Common need for curriculum evaluation. ইয়াতে উল্লেখ কৰিব to identify the strength and weakness of curriculum, to provide suggestions on curriculum perspectives, to verify curriculum quality and management, to modify and rectify unproductive strategies, to determine the effectiveness of curriculum, to suggest improvement techniques, curriculum implementation, to exhibit accountability of a curriculum to the decision makers, to recognize the successful strategies for growth of curriculum. এইকেইটা পয়েন্টস কমন নিডস ফর কারিকুলাম ইভালুয়েশনত উল্লেখ কৰিব। নিড ফর কারিকুলাম ইভালুয়েশন ইন ডিস্টেন্স এডুকেশন। ইয়াতে উল্লেখ কৰিব to judge the achievement of aims and objectives of a curriculum as a whole, to judge the effectiveness of the course materials, to get feedback on the progress of curriculum, to judge the supports gives to the learners, to explore the factors those affect the outcomes of the curriculum, to find out the effective ways. ওপৰত উল্লেখ কৰা প্ৰত্যেকটো পইণ্টছৰ ওপৰতে আপোনালোকে বহলাই লিখিব। এইদৰে সংক্ষিপ্ত ৰূপত নোটছ বনাই পঢ়িলে নিশ্চয়কৈ পৰীক্ষাৰ আগত প্ৰতিটো কাকতৰ প্ৰতিটো অধ্যায় দিনত 2-3 বাৰকৈ ৰিভাইজ দিবলৈ সক্ষম হ'ব। ভিডিঅ'টো কেনে পালে নিশ্চয় গঠনমূলক দিহা আৰু পৰামৰ্শৰে কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাব। যদি আপোনাৰ এই নোট পছন্দ হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে ডাউনলোড কৰি ল'ব পাৰিব, ডেছক্ৰিপশ্যনত লিংক দিয়া আছে। চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব, লাইক কৰিব আৰু আপোনাৰ সহপাঠীৰ লগত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব। আজিলৈ সামৰিছোঁ, ধন্যবাদ।